Hello everyone, here we are in Olivino deli. Wanted to show you this product that I've had since the 90s. Actually, we use it in Sardinia for a long time. It's not widely used. It's not as it hasn't taken off as quick as Bob Tariga, which is one of the most famous dishes we do, but it's something called Bresaola tuna. It's a loin of tuna that has been treated in salt, packed in salt, and it's quite unique. Ariana has already sliced some for me. There we are, and that shows you. This is the wind. It's sort of a dried tuna slices. It's very much like herring, smoked herring. It has almost a smoked taste, but it's not smoked, but it's treated, it's cured. And the loin, I'll show you the loin, what the loin looks like. It looks like actually a bresaola. That's why we call it bresaola tuna, because the way sort of the shape, the form. And this is one of the best part of the tuna. You can see from the... So this is a very spatial, very high quality product, and I'm going to try to do a video for people to see how they can serve this. I'm going to do a video on YouTube, and to do this video I'm going to get a tin of sun-dried tomatoes, and at the same time I get some green beans. So it's going to be quite simple. It's green beans, sun-dried tomatoes, and wind-dried tuna. 3 ingredients, not much, and this is it. So hopefully you see the full recipe on YouTube very shortly.